Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 333, meaning and symbolism. 11 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 333, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 333 mean for twin flames? What does it mean if you see 606 on the clock? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 333 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 333 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 333? What's the meaning of angel number 333? Angel number 333 is a powerful spiritual sign symbolizing growth, creativity, and alignment with the divine. It often appears when you're being encouraged to express your authentic self and embrace your inner truth. This number signifies that the ascended masters and spiritual guides are near, offering support and guidance. Seeing 333 suggests that it's time to focus on your personal development, trust your intuition, and take inspired action towards your goals. It's a reminder that you are not alone and that the universe is working with you to manifest your desires. Angel numbers, Joanne's Sacred Scribes, +1. Twin Flame Union 717, +1. What is the angel number 333 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 333 represents the presence of divine beings and the encouragement to align your mind, body, and spirit. It emphasizes the importance of spiritual growth, self-expression, and the pursuit of your soul's mission. This number encourages you to trust in the universe's plan and to have faith in your abilities. It's a call to embrace your spiritual gifts and to use them to uplift yourself and others. By doing so, you align with higher energies and open yourself to greater wisdom and insight. What does the angel number 333 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 333 signifies harmony, communication, and the strengthening of bonds. It encourages open and honest dialogue with your partner and the nurturing of your relationship. For singles, it may indicate that love is on the horizon, urging you to remain open-hearted and receptive. This number also highlights the importance of self-love and understanding your worth. By fostering a loving relationship with yourself, you create the foundation for healthy and fulfilling connections with others. What does angel number 333 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 333 is a powerful sign of alignment and spiritual connection. It suggests that both individuals are on a path of growth and that their union is supported by the universe. This number may appear during times of separation or challenge, reminding you to trust the journey and the lessons it brings. It emphasizes the importance of inner work, healing, and maintaining faith in the divine timing of your reunion. Overall, 333 is a message of hope and encouragement for twin flames navigating their unique path. What does it mean if you see 303 on the clock? Seeing 303 on the clock is often considered a meaningful synchronicity and a message from the spiritual realm. This mirror hour carries powerful symbolism, blending the vibrations of the number 3 with the amplifying and infinite energy of 0. The number 3 is closely associated with creativity, self-expression, communication, and spiritual growth, while the number 0 represents potential, divine energy, and the presence of the universe or higher power in your life. When these numbers appear together as 303, it may be a sign that you are being divinely supported as you work on expressing your authentic self and stepping into your life's purpose. It could also be a nudge to pay attention to your intuition, trust the creative impulses you are feeling, or reconnect with spiritual practices that help bring clarity and inner peace. This time may also suggest a reminder that balance is essential, especially between your physical and spiritual life. It encourages you to remain centered, even as you explore new opportunities or navigate challenges. Ultimately, seeing 303 can be interpreted as a gentle message from your angels or guides, reminding you that you're on the right path and supported every step of the way. What does angel number 333 mean for manifestation? Angel number 333 is a potent sign for manifestation, indicating that this number signifies that your creative energies are heightened, making it an ideal time to pursue your goals and dreams. By trusting in your abilities and the support of the divine, you can bring your visions into reality. Remember to remain open to guidance and to act with integrity and purpose. How does angel number 333 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 333 suggests growth, creativity, and the importance of aligning your work with your passions. It may indicate that opportunities for financial improvement are on the horizon, especially when you pursue endeavors that resonate with your true self. This number encourages you to trust in your skills, remain optimistic, and be open to new possibilities. It's also a reminder to maintain balance, ensuring that your pursuit of wealth doesn't overshadow your spiritual and emotional well-being. What does angel number 333 mean for former relationships? When reflecting on past relationships, angel number 333 serves as a message of healing and growth. It encourages you to release any lingering resentment or pain and to view past experiences as lessons that have contributed to your personal development. This number signifies the importance of forgiveness, both for yourself and others, and the need to move forward with an open heart. By embracing the wisdom gained from former relationships, you create space for new, healthier connections to enter your life. How does angel number 333 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 333 highlights creativity, collaboration, and the pursuit of meaningful work. It may appear when you're being called to align your career with your passions and to embrace opportunities that allow for self-expression. This number encourages teamwork, open communication, and the sharing of ideas. It's a reminder to trust in your abilities, seek balance between work and personal life, and to remain open to growth and learning. By doing so, you can achieve fulfillment and success in your career endeavors. What are the strengths of angel number 333? Angel number 333 embodies strengths such as creativity, communication, optimism, and spiritual awareness. Individuals resonating with this number are often expressive, compassionate, and driven by a desire to uplift others. They possess a strong connection to their inner wisdom and are guided by intuition. Their ability to inspire and motivate makes them natural leaders and healers. Embracing the energy of 333 allows for personal growth, meaningful connections, and the manifestation of one's highest potential. What are the weaknesses of angel number 333? While angel number 333 carries many positive attributes, it can also indicate potential challenges. Individuals influenced by this number may struggle with indecision, overthinking, or spreading themselves too thin due to their many interests. There can be a tendency to avoid confrontation or to prioritize others' needs over their own. It's important for those resonating with 333 to establish boundaries, practice self-care, and focus their energies to avoid burnout. By acknowledging and addressing these tendencies, they can harness the full potential of this powerful number. Angel number 333, a complete summary. Angel number 333 is a powerful spiritual symbol that often appears during transformative times in a person's life. It carries messages of encouragement, divine support, and creative energy. Seeing this number repeatedly is not a coincidence. It is believed to be a direct communication from guardian angels or the ascended masters. These celestial beings are reminding you that you are not alone and are being guided and protected as you move forward on your soul's journey. At its core, 333 signifies alignment of the mind, body, and spirit. It emphasizes growth, self-expression, and spiritual expansion. If you've been feeling uncertain about your path, This number suggests that now is the time to trust your inner voice and take action aligned with your higher purpose. The energy of 333 is filled with creativity and joy, urging you to express yourself and follow your passions boldly. In love, 333 encourages harmony and open communication. Whether you're in a relationship or single, this number serves as a reminder. Professionally, this angel number highlights creativity, collaboration, and pursuing work that resonates with your soul. If you've been contemplating a career change or launching a creative project, now may be the right time. 333 is a sign that the universe supports your ambitions, especially if they align with your true self. Financially, 333 suggests balance, reminding you not to stress over material gain but to focus on abundance in all areas of life, including your purpose and joy. In essence, angel number 333 brings reassurance, optimism, and motivation. It calls you to rise above fear, tap into your spiritual wisdom, and manifest a life of authenticity and joy. When you see this number, consider it an invitation to step into your power and trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should.